Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by moving fast. Preheat to 350 degrees and line 2 baking sheets. Cream 1/2 cup butter with 1 cup sugar until light. Add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla so the dough binds smoothly. Once combined, sift to 1/2 cups flour and fold until cohesive but not overworked. Make equal portions and tint each with food coloring, kneading briefly to distribute color evenly. Make sure dough is soft yet firm enough to shape. Chill briefly if it feels sticky. Now shape and construct the rainbow effect. Roll each colored portion to about 1/4 inch thickness and either cut individual shapes or slice into strips to stack into rainbow logs. Once arranged, press seams gently so colors adhere, but keep edges defined. Chill the assembled pieces 15 to 20 minutes so they hold shape during baking. Make sure to space cookies 1 inch apart on the sheet and have a piping bag ready if you plan on detailing after baking. This prevents blurring of color. Bake the prepared cookies for 8 to 10 minutes. You want pale edges that just begin to golden. Overbaking fades the colors. Once out, cool on the pan for 5 minutes so cookies set, then move to a wire rack to fully cool before decorating. If using royal icing, thin to desired flow for outlines and fill, let dry fully before stacking. Troubleshooting tip: if colors bleed during baking, chill shaped cookies longer and reduce oven temperature by 10 degrees to minimize spread and preserve crisp color separation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.